Di ko sinabi sa'yo kasi alam kong masasaktan ka eh.
Hindi ko sinabi kasi alam kong masasaktan ka. Why this happens? Hindi dahil sa pag-iwas sa accountability, but they avoid the immediate punishment na matatanggap nila sa partner nila pag inopen up nila yung idea na tinago nila. In short, yung capability ng taong pagsasabihan mo ng totoo is also a factor kung bakit hindi sinabi sa'yo yung katotohanan. Diba, madalas yung naririnig sa mga favorite influencers, love guru nyo kuno na I want the truth. But they rarely consider what do they need to give para ma-receive yung truth. Diba? Patience, curiosity, yung pagiging mature on handling what is the truth. They do not have an idea that those are the things, one of the things that we need to give para makuha yung katotohanan. And not every truth is actually going to be in favor of what you want. Kung dun pa lang hindi mo matanggap, of course, whatever your partner told you, the truth is at that moment, hindi na masusundan yan. Because again, the moment that you punish what is true for them, then you will not get any more from them. They will shut down. They will hide things from you. So, hindi mo pwedeng ibunton lahat sa kanya yung sisi kung bakit hindi mo natanggap yung katotohanan, kung yung katotohanan naman ay pinaparusahan mo, pinapagalitan mo, ninangak-ngakan mo, you are nagging about it just because you don't want the form of truth that showed during your confrontation. Truth flourishes only where it won't be weaponized. And sadly, marami sa atin weaponizes the truth. Kaya ang ending, we do not talk about it anymore. We hide from the truth. We actually share the truth of who we are doon sa taong kayang tumanggap sa atin. And most likely, sino yun? Clue. Kabit. Because pagdating sa kabit, they don't care about your past. Right at that very moment, they feel welcomed, they feel accepted, they feel loved. Sobrang layo ng sa kung ano ang pinaparamdam sa'yo ng partner mo. And do you seriously think your partner would not prefer that over your shitty and crappy relationship or treatment? I don't think so. Diba? And these clueless love gurus, influencers, propagate na, well, kung makakasakit ka pala, ba't mo ginawa? Well, of course, there's something that they got in exchange for doing that kind of action. Ngayon, again, kung yung mindset mo, cheating is cheating ulit eh. Diba? You are not going to find that answer. And again, that same answer is going to hunt you if hindi mo siya malalaman at hindi mo siya magagawa ng paraan. Yung relationship nyo would get stuck on the same clueless relationship kung hindi nyo malalaman at hindi nyo kayang magpakatotoo sa isa't isa. Yes, truth has a price. Ang tanong, is everyone willing to pay for the price to get what is true? Or they would just prefer comforting lies? Katulad ng ikaw lang mahal ko, ikaw lang aanuhin ko. But pagtagal, give it years. 3, 4, 5, 10 years, that would change.